shit. Now get the fuck out of here. Stay on, I'm killing you. Gun time. 9mm.
What the fuck, man? My asshole's fucking burning. You know what? I got a bunch of miles in this bitch. How about this? There you go. I got 1,000 miles.
Wait a minute. Oh my god, so many freaking miles and I don't know what to do. Man, I'm gonna kill you all, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Y'all dying to I got bam, bam, bam.
Oh shit!
Bam, bam, all the boss of this bitch.
Miss me?
Sawed off. I got your ass now, boy.
No, you don't.
I turned into an airplane. Dynamite.
What in the world is going on in here?
Move out the way, man, with your shoes.
Michaela, put down that axe. Help!
I gotta kill mice. That's my freaking job, man. That's all it's designed for. What the fuck is going on? I told you that raw was a fucking problem. Man. What you done did now? Bow! Man! Bow!
Hey, fucking is!
Whoa!
Damn, yo! Oh my god!
Whoa!
Look at that fucking robot, yo!
Thomas, am I glad to see you? Boy, they
Well,
can
now you're glad to
have
see
their
me.
newfangled mechanicals. All I want
Told you robots
is a
ain't shit.
plain old
Humans for
fashioned
life,
cat.
baby. I mean, cat for life. Oh shit! No, I'm a robot cat now. I'm designed to kill mice for a living.
Thomas,
And looks like you're a mouse. Wait a minute. Oh shit!
Oh, god!
Oh, I got that fucking mouse, boy. Bam, 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 bam. Ah, my fucking ball! Oh,
What's it fucking ball, bitch?
I got your ass now, boy.
Yeah.